The future of smart homes with AI. Sundar Pichai's vision. Imagine a world where your home knows exactly what you need, even before you do. Welcome to the future of smart homes. Inspired by Sundar Pichai's vision, AI is transforming our living spaces into intelligent, responsive environments. Cut to Sundar Pichai speaking. At Google, we're integrating AI into smart home devices to make everyday life more convenient and efficient. From smart thermostats that learn your preferences to lights that turn on as you arrive, AI is making our homes smarter and more intuitive. Security is enhanced with AI-powered cameras and locks, ensuring your home is safe and secure. Entertainment is elevated with voice-controlled assistants that play your favorite music and control your devices. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Embrace the smart home revolution and experience a new level of comfort and convenience. Join us in this exciting journey towards smarter living. Subscribe for more insights on the future of technology.